Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Isnan. I am a second year student in International Medical University. My topic is on drug affecting on the osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a health condition that weakness bones make them fragile and more likely to break. It develops slowly over several years and is often only diagnosed when a fall or sudden impact causes a bone to break. The most common injuries in people with osteoporosis are broken wrist, broken hip, broken spinal bone. However, a break can also happen in other bones, such as in the arm or pelvis. Sometimes a cuff or sneeze can cause a broken rib on the partial collapse of one of the bones of the spine. Osteoporosis is not actually painful until a bone is broken. But broken bone in the spine are a common cause of the long-term pain. Although broken bone is often the first sign of osteoporosis, some older people develop the characteristics stoop posture. It happens when the bone in the spine have broken, making it difficult to support the weight of the body. Losing bone is a normal part of aging, but some people lose much faster than normal. This can lead to osteoporosis and increased risk of broken bone. Women can also lose bone rapidly in the first few years after the menopause. Women are more at risk of osteoporosis than men, particularly if the menopause began early, before the age of 45, and they have ovaries removed. However, osteoporosis can also affect men, younger women, and children. Many other factors, such as taking high dose of steroid tablets for more than 3 months, and other medical conditions such as inflammatory condition, hormone related condition, or malabsorption problems. Family history of osteoporosis, particularly a hip fracture in a parent, long-term use of certain medicines that can affect bone strength or hormone levels, such as anti-osteogen tablet that may women take breast cancer. Having a low body mass index, not exercise regularly, heavy drinking and smoking. Many other diseases and disorders have been associated with osteoporosis. For example, hypogonadal state can cause secondary osteoporosis, woman estrogen deficiency, man testosterone deficiency. Endocrine disorders that can induce bone loss include Cushing syndrome, um, hyper, hyperparathyroidism, hyperthyroidism, diabetes mellitus type 1 and type 2, malnutrition, parental nutrition, and malabsorption. People with rheumatological disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing systematic systematic lupus erythematosus, and polyarticular leukemic idiopathic arthritis. Some hematological disorders, several inherited disorders, chronic kidney disease can lead to renal osteodystrophy. People with Parkinson disease. These are the some diseases that cause osteoporosis. There are some drugs that affecting on osteoporosis, such as biophosphonates, monoclonal and hormone-related therapy, parathyroid hormone, calcitonin, calcium and vitamin D supplements. These are the drugs that affecting on osteoporosis. Mm, Biophosphates have three generations. First generation is the metronate, chlordronate, adidronate, and telludronate, and the second generation is the aminobis phosphonates, adrenonate, and timidronate contain a nitrogen group in the insert chain 10 times more potent than first generation compound. Uh, and the third generation is the Risodronate and zoledronate contain a nitrogen atom within a heterocyclic ring and are up to 10,000 times more potent than first generation agent. And the other one, and the second one is the monoclonal antibody medication. This is this medication is the treatment of actually post-menopause woman with osteoporosis at high risk for fracture. Treatment to increase bone mass in men with osteoporosis. Treatment there are these are actually treatments such as treatments of glucocorticoid induced osteoporosis, treatment of bone loss in men receiving androgen, deprivation therapy for prostate cancer, treatment of bone loss in women receiving adjuvant aromatase inhibitor therapy for cancer. This is the another therapy. This is estrogen replacement therapy. This the mechanism of action of relaxofene occur when through binding to estrogen receptor. This binding result in activation of estrogen pathway and blockade in tissue that express estrogen receptors. And the other is the testosterone replacement therapy. In some studies, osteoporotic men undergo testosterone replacement therapy have been shown to have increased the bone density. Have been shown to bone density through MBD does not reach actually normal made level. Mechanism: testosterone and its androgenic metabolic dihydrotestosterone exert biological effect directly through binding to the androgen receptor and indirectly through the aromatization of testosterone to estrogen, which allow action via binding to the estrogen receptor. There is also some side effects of testosterone replacement therapy, such as irritation, redness, pain, and tenderness, swelling, atrophy, unpleasant or bitter taste in mouth, difficulty taste food, headache, mm, breast pain or enlargement. There are some class of medicines such as biphosphates drug is the alendronate. Dosing is the daily or weekly tablet or weekly effectiveness tablet that should dissolve in water. How it work? Strength bone by slowing the rate at which osteoclast remove bone. And the side effect is gastrointestinal problems such as trouble swelling, inflammation of the esophagus. There are some side effects of the drug alendronate. And other exogenous calcitonin, and dosing is the daily nasal superior injection. How it work? Inhibit bone removal by osteoclast and increase the rate of new bone formation by osteoblast. And side effect is allergic reaction, small increase in skin cancer. These are some medicines. Uh, these are some medicines which is used to treat osteoporosis. And here are the prescriptions for such as zoledronic acid, that is 4 to 5 milligram, yeah, that is 5 once a year, and rizopolia, that is 60 milliliter, 1 milliliter twice a year, that is an injection. uh, another is the medicine, that is the evista 60 milligram tablet, one tablet a day. These are all the prescription of different medicines. I hope you understand well. Thank you for the attention.